Oh, Sanyosi.
Uh, Ladies and gentlemen, greetings to you. Good evening, Lape Makaya, grade 12 learners. Here we are back again with our History Wednesday lessons. And I am Mr. Kina, your history facilitator on the Visual Tuition Program 2026. As I made a promise that each and every Wednesday from 6 o'clock p.m. to 7 p.m., we are dealing with history. Last week, we were dealing with Vietnam War, and today we are still doing the essay writing question, but now we are focusing on question 6, which is Black Power Movement. And paper 1, we are dealing with Black Power Movement, which is an essay writing. Remember, this is a revision, Bantabami. So I will be giving you a content that your teachers in schools have already taught you. So mine, it's simple, is to deliver the content and also explain how to attack this essay, because sesoyibhala njengamanje. So Bantabam, as we will be continuing with our lesson, we will be code switching with language, because we understand that we are in the province of KwaZulu Natal, so we need to cater each and every learner. So that is why some of the things we'll explain it in Zulu, but come back in English as our medium of instruction. Okay. Remember, Bantabami, those who missed our last week lessons, they've been uploaded on the KZN DOE YouTube channel. On YouTube channel, you will find the lessons there on the playlist. Okay, because this is an essay writing, I will start with this page, which is called Peel Method Application. This page is called Peel Method Application, Bantabam. Now, when we are writing history, history essays are written in paragraph formats, not in point form. Are we clear, Bantabam? Why? Now, and also, our essays in history are called argumentative essay. They are called argumentative essays, Bantabam. Our essays in history. That is why we apply something which is called a Peel method. Okay, Bantabam. A Peel method, the first sentence in your paragraph must be a point, where you are introducing whatever that we'll be talking about. And then here E is an explanation. Explain what is that point about. And E is for, the next E is for evidence in the Peel method. Now here you are giving us what? You are giving us the content. And lastly, at the last layer of your paragraph, you must give us something which is called a link. Now, what is the link? At the end of each content paragraph, you must include that sentence. There must be that sentence content. That's link content ne argument that you made in the introduction, because it's an argumentative essay. Now, when you start the line of argument, you start with these ways. You can say, for the fact that, now I'm talking about this linking sentence, a sentence that links your content to your argument in the paragraph. You will say, for the fact that, and then you will briefly explain how blacks were influenced by the key role players to challenge discrimination. Because if black power movement, it's all about key role players influencing African American to challenge discrimination. That is the main aim black money, black power movement. Or you can start by saying, by having, then give us a brief how this key role player Obukhuluma was able to influence black people or African Americans to challenge any discrimination. Are we clear, Bantabam? Then when we start the paragraphs, we start with these words. Furthermore, in addition, moreover, you can't just start a paragraph as if we are away. No. You start our paragraph by using these keywords. Are we clear, Bantabam? Now, let us move, Bantabam. Now, I said to you, when you are writing an essay, you must have something which is called an essay structure. Essay structure, when you are writing English essays, it's what you call mind map. In isiZulu essays, it's what you call uhlaka. Not in history, we have something which is called an essay structure, which will give you a sense of the essay that you are writing, how many paragraphs you are expected. And in our essay with Black Power movement, you are expected to have 9 paragraphs, inclusive of introduction and the conclusion. Bantabam. Now, the first paragraph, obvious, is an introduction. The second one, it is the background, where you are giving us the origin. Basically, reasons why the Black Power movement started in America. And then you go on now to tell us about the Black Power philosophy. Talk about the aims. The next paragraph. Once you are done with that paragraph, the paragraph of the key role players. And here are our key role players. Are we clear about Malcolm X? You must have a paragraph explaining how Malcolm X was being able to influence African Americans to challenge discrimination and racial segregation. Best to Black Panther parts. Again, I'm saying to you, this essay, it's easy. It's just for you to explain how these key role players played a crucial role in influencing African American to end in discrimination and segregation. Where? In America. Are we clear, Mandabam? Then the next one, key role player, Ustoki Carmichael. The next one, Angela Davis. Then you go to the successes, the short and long-term gains. Omunye uthisho uzokutshela ukuthi ni ama-successes ani e-Black Power movement. Bantu bami, lento lena i-important ke lengizoyisho njengamanje. You understand? These are key role players. All of them played a crucial role. Akekho i-key role player ekuyiyona eyadlala indima enkulu than the other. All of them. That is why most of the time uzokudidwe statement esizoke sithi Malcolm X was the only one who was able to influence. Uyabona message njalo sathi only one. Sesi wrong because akekho only, no one played eyedwa i-role. All of them played a role. You will see that in our next slide, Batabam. As we move. Okay, now this is an introduction. I've explained a lot about introductions in our previous lessons, Bantabam. We have 3 types of essay questions. The first one is, do you agree? The second one is, to what extent? The third one is, critically discuss. And I told you, when you are writing the introductions, there are 3 steps that you need to follow. What do we mean by that? Meaning, in your introduction paragraph, you must have 3 different sentences. The first sentence is where a learner takes a stance, because in history, you will be given a statement. And when, as a learner, you must read the statement, analyze it, and understand it. Then take a position whether the statement is true or the statement is false. However, we have our ways of saying the statement is true, and we have our ways of saying the statement is false. Are we clear, Mandabam? In the do you agree? If the statement is true, a learner says one would agree with the statement that says, EBC bring back the statement. And if the learner disagree with the statement, false. A learner will say, one will not agree with the statement that says that and bring back the statement exactly as it is. You will see the examples. Then, if the essay question says, explain to what extent. What does to what extent mean? It means to what size exactly. Are we clear, Mandabam? Now, is it either if the statement is true, a learner says to a greater extent and bring back the statement as it is. If the statement is false, a learner takes a stand that says to a lesser extent, then bring back the statement. Then you go to critically discuss. These are words you use when you are agreeing with the statement. If the statement is true, these are the words that you use. Indeed, bring back the statement. Surely, bring back the statement. It is without doubt, bring back the statement. One will affirm, bring back the statement. If the statement is false, these are words that you use in critically discuss. When the statement is not true, one will dispute. Because when you are putting a dispute, so pick sana nento, one will argue against. Are we clear, Bandabam? Now, this is the first one, and bring back the statement. This is your first sentence in the introduction. Full stop. Then you go by explaining us a reason why you are saying the statement is true. By starting with simply because, then you give us a reason based on the content, the example of why you are saying the statement is true or why you are saying the statement is false. Are we clear, Bantabam? Based on the stance you took in the first step. Then here on the last one, it is the focus of your essay in the direction. What do we mean by saying it is the focus of your essay? It is whereby you are mentioning the things that basically the subtopics that you will cover in your essay to prove nge-content yakho ukuthi indeed le stance osithathile uyavumelana or you are in dispute of that stance. Are we clear, Bantabam? I hope I'm clear, Bantabam. Sesikhulume kakhulu indaba ama-introduction in all our lessons previous. Now, Bantabam, these are the examples here. I was for today. I started with critically discuss. Now you are given a statement, and you have to choose whether the statement is true or false. And I told you in critically discuss, if the statement is true, these are the words you use. If the statement is false, these are the words that you use. Bantabam. Now here's the statement. The Black Power movement marked a shift from a non-violent protest to a more militant approach in the struggle for African American. Yes, indeed, Bantabam. We all know that ECRM, because the Black Power movement, a continuation yan, yes, CRM, we all know that ECRM was non-violent. And if Black Power shifted from a non-violent to a militant approach, a violent approach in the struggling for African Americans' rights. That one is true. Best statement is question now. Critically discuss how effective this approach, the militant approach, was in bringing about change in the United States of America. You must be careful here. When you are writing this statement now or the introduction of this, you don't just bring the only upper parts. La kukhulunywa nge-approach ukuthi i-BPM shifted from being in non-violent approach ye-CRM to a militant approach. Ebese question ke now discuss ukuthi this approach eyabekwa kuyona, how effective was it in bringing about change in United States of America? When you are writing a stance here, you must include both the upper parts and the question. And indeed, if Black Power movement shifted from a non-violent approach to a militant approach, meaning the statement is true. And I said to you, when the statement is true, you are choosing these ways. Are we clear, Bantabam? I guess we'll now see the introduction is. The first one is the stance. One would affirm that. Are we clear? Or another learner can say it is true, or indeed the Black Masebuisa, the first part. One will affirm that and bring back the statement on the first part that Black Power movement marked a shift from a non-militant from a non-violent protest to a more militant protest. Are we clear? And was indeed effective. And this was the first part. And it says that was the first part. So a second part in joint indeed was effective in bringing about the change in the United States. Are we clear, Bantabam? This is how you tackle an approach or an introduction of a critically discuss. You include both the upper part of the statement and the question. And when you go to the question, select the keywords. The approach was effective in doing what? In bringing about change. That is why when you see our stance, it includes both the upper parts and the second part. You must be careful when you are writing a critically discuss. It is very critical. Okay, now you go to the second step by giving us a reason. This is because, or simply because, it brought about change, it brought about an end to police brutality through the effective use of non-violent approach by the Panthers. You know the Panthers are members of Black Panther Party. Okay, the shift now you are going to include now in the name of the focus. The message focus here, it's the focus of our essay. The key role players that you will use as an evidence to support your stance. The shift from non-violent protest to more militant protest can be seen in the role played by Malcolm X, Black Panther Party, Stokely Carmichael. Awuclear bantu bami, i-essay BPM, it is only about these key role players. How did they motivate, how did they influence Black or African Americans to challenge or to bring about change in USA? It's all about that. Are we clear, bantu bami? Okay, now the second example, it's what extent. Ngathi mina, when you are reading this statement, Elena must simply hide this, act as if ayikho le explains what extent, and starts reading from here. Angithi yes, now it will make a sense a statement to Elena whether the statement is true or it is not true. Nakho-ke, the Black Power movement was successful in organizing African Americans to challenge discrimination and segregation in USA. Yes, issue. Indeed, it is true. Because it is to what extent I said to you, when the statement is true, you choose to a greater extent. When the statement is false, you choose to a lesser extent. You know, one of the mistakes ama-students ayenzayo, angazi noma yakrema yini ukuthi sidila no one will agree. When you go to this essay now, you start your stance by saying to a greater extent if it is true, or to a lesser extent if it is false. Don't say one may agree to a greater extent. You are wrong. You are wrong because one would agree is its own essay question. When the statement says explain to what extent, don't say one would agree to a lesser extent or one would agree. That is totally wrong, Matabami. One would agree i-essay yayo ezimele, to a greater extent i-essay yayo ezimele. Wena make sure ukuthi uqala ku-2. Always uqala ku-2 to a greater extent, then bring back the statement as it is. To a greater extent, bring back the statement as it is. Are we clear, bantu bami? Njengoba lo mntwana enzile. Then step number 2 was new reason. This is because it reshaped the Black identity, inspired community programs, and laid the groundwork for later movement focused on cultural affirmation and systematic change. Then you are here to mention the subtopics. Basically, in this essay, the subtopics of are key role players. The success of BPM in challenging discrimination and racial segregation, it is evident in the role played by Malcolm X, role played by the Black Panther Party, and the role played by Stokely Carmichael. Are we clear, bantu bami? These are the examples of how to write an introduction. Now, once you are done with an introduction, you go to the next paragraph. Your next paragraph is a simple and straightforward paragraph. It should be one paragraph. This essay, it is called a background information. And in the background information for this essay, you are talking about the origins of the movement. When you are saying the origins, umsuka wayo, why this movement called Black Power yaqala. Are we clear, bantu bami? Why yaqala? Remember that there was CRM. I'm sorry about the handwriting, bantu bami. There was ECRM, which was a non-violent approach. I mean, Martin Luther King, non-violent approach. Now, they did achieve what they achieved in the CRM. However, it was not implemented. They achieved the civil rights. They achieved civil rights. They achieved voting rights with CRM. However, still, Black people were still suffering. So why the movement? It was the dissatisfaction and frustrations with the gains of civil rights movement. Lama gains lawa were not being implemented on African Americans. Are we clear, bantu bami? Also, there was still inequality for Black Americans and white Americans. USA. Black people still faced poverty and discrimination. That is why abantu abamnyama, they said, even those are achieve, but we still need to intensify our Exactly. Why? Let discrimination be senseka because black people were still living in poor houses. Are we clear, Bandabam? They still attended in under-resourced schools. Iy'kole ababefunda kuzona were not having the same resource as the school that were attended by white children. There was still a high rate of unemployment. Abantu abamnyama, they were not getting employed in America. So because of this, then black people started to question this non-violent approach of civil rights movement and said, no. We now need to intensify our revolution, to intensify our struggle. Are we clear, Bandabam? That is why now black people wanted an immediate change. They wanted an immediate change that will bring in development kuma citizens amnyama ase America. Are we clear? Another issue that made African American to start BPM was in the police brutality. There was a high police brutality in America. Just the police were going to black neighborhood and then just attack and brutalize people everywhere in the USA. Now black people were tired of that police brutality. As a result of that, there was a movement that was started, which was called Black Power Movement. A new civil society protest called Black Power Movement came about. Are we clear, Bandabam? Iyona le paragraph get background explaining why Black Americans or African Americans started a movement which was called a Black Power Movement. Are we clear, Bandabam? Now, let Black Power Movement yayisuka from a Black Power philosophy. It came from Black Power philosophy. Are we clear, Bandabam? It came from Black Power philosophy. Now, at first, there was a philosophy. What is a philosophy, Bandabam? It is a belief. Philosophy is what? It is a belief. Angithi imicabango ethile eyayicatshwanga ama-leaders ukuthi this is how black people should go about and this is how black people should live their life in America in order to end segregation. But then they had to act upon it, and that act or that form of action your act was in a form of a movement. That is why a movement that was there to bring about the ideas of Black Power philosophy into action. Are we clear, Bantabam? So in this paragraph, you are just explaining this with background. Just one paragraph, not more than two. Just one paragraph, Bantabam. Are we clear? Okay. Now, it is important for you to know this, that there is a difference between the philosophy and the movement. If philosophy, it is the ideas and beliefs. But if Black Power movement, it is an action part, because at first there is a philosophy, an idea to say, if we can do this, maybe we can achieve this. But they haven't done any action. Now, in movement, in Ghana, when they are doing action to achieve these ideas, are we clear, Bantabam? So, if philosophy is focused only on idealism aspects, while if Black Power movement focused on both idealism, because there was an idea, and then the movement is going to act practically on those ideas. So, if movement focused on both, yini abayicabangile, yini abayenzile ngalokho abakucabangayo. Are we clear, Bantabam? Now, here's what you need to note, Bantabam, in history. Once an essay statement says only, that statement is incorrect. Once a statement says solely, that statement is incorrect. That once a statement says mainly, that statement is incorrect. Remember, I said this essay is about the key role players. If in a figure essay question, it's only Malcolm X was able to influence the Africa for that only. It's a wrong. Why in a but key role players. City Black Panther Party solely played the key role. No. It can't be. City Stokely Michael mainly. Once in history you see only solely mainly, that statement is incorrect, Bantabam. Asiyenike manje ku black. Good Black philosophy, Bantabam, good Black Power philosophy is say now. Now, you go, once you are done with the background, you go to this paragraph now, Bantabam. Remember, I said I am giving you the content while also explaining how to write this paragraph. Which one is the first paragraph? Which one is the next paragraph? Are we clear? Now, at the background, you go to the paragraph of the aims. La sikhuluma ngani ngama aims a Black Power philosophy. Ngithe kunina at first there was what? A philosophy. There was what? A philosophy, bantu bami. Philosophy umcabango, a belief. Here is the definition. Black Power is a philosophical belief. And it says it is a philosophical belief that black people in America or African people or African American should take pride in their identity against racism. Are we clear, bantu bami? And then leyo belief leyo now ama aims that they wanted to achieve. And it's now the first aim they wanted to Black Power philosophy wanted to promote a sense of assertiveness and self-reliance in African Americans. Mabeti's sense of assertiveness, they wanted in self-reliance, meaning they wanted independence. They wanted black people to be independent against from white people. Now they also aimed at encouraging blacks. Mabeti them sure blacks. They also encourage black people to acknowledge their African culture, their traditions and history. Ukuthi bona bangobani bese America. They need to know about their culture. They need to take actions about their tradition and history. And also, le philosophy, le belief, or lo mcabango wanted to encourage African Americans to reject the term Negro. Remember, these people, abamnyama, they were called the Negroes. But no. You must reject the thing. They must rather call us blacks or African Americans. Are we clear, Bantabam? Also, it was aiming at removing the idea of inferiority amongst the African Americans to say you must never be intimidated. You must never have fear against the white person. Are we clear, Bantabam? Now, it's also aimed at promoting the use of violence for blacks against violence. Queen, remember I said to you there was a police brutality. So their main aim here, philosophy, was to help Africans to put an end with police brutality to say, bashaye nani. Are we clear, Bantabam? Black Power philosophy to say if they use violence against you, use violence against them. Police brutality so that it can come to an end. Are we clear? In this paragraph, legal elaying show you, Yama aims. This is what you need to explain. When you write it, Bantabam, you start by explaining the Black Power philosophy. What was it? Once you are done explaining it, then go about its aims. This philosophy of this Black Power philosophy was aiming at name all these aims that were aimed by Black Power philosophy. And at the end, once you are done aiming it, you go about what? A line of argument. What other teachers called a link. That I said to you, you start by for the fact that or by having. Are we clear? Now, for this one, you can say for the fact that Black Power philosophy was able to encourage Black Americans or African Americans to challenge police brutality with the use of violence serves as an evidence that, and then you bring back your line of argument, or your argument in the introduction. Are we clear, Bantabam? So the paragraph lay a background, which is called the aims of Black Power philosophy. You start by explaining the definition of Black Power, and then you go by the aims, and then also at lastly, you go about the line of argument, starting with for the fact that, or starting with by having. Are we clear, Bantabam? Now, let's go to the key role players now. Angithi sithe lokho kade sikhuluma ngakho bekuyini Bantabami bekuwumcabango. There was a philosophy, a Black Power, a belief, a philosophical belief. Now they want this belief ukuthi all African Americans endorse, influence. Angithi abakanjani ke influence Bantabami? Aba influenced by by key role players. Asenzeni kanje Bantabami. Senzeni kanje khona nizoyibona lento le. Let me erase all this. Then ngithi mina there was in a black power philosophy, which is in a philosophical belief, an idea, umcabango, an idea. Now, le idea izosiza African Americans to challenge racism. Kodwa now basebethini, we need striker. We need people who will go about influencing all other African Americans. Basebathini sizoba no Malcolm X. Malcolm X. Sibe nobani no Black Panther Party. Sibe nobani no Stokely Carmichael. Now, these key role players was the one that was doing an action part now. Seqala ini movement now. Seqala ini movement in le movayo. What is being moved? It's these ideas. Ama ideas are a black power. Angithi yes, ingakuthiwani black power movement. These key role players were moving the ideas of this philosophy to African Americans. Are we clear? So this is to explain, Lord, how did he move these ideas to these people? Lord, how did he move all these ideas to these people to challenge apartheid? Lord, how did he move these ideas to challenge to these people to challenge not apartheid, racism in USA. This is all the essay about. Let's go to the first key role player again now. Malcolm X. Who was Malcolm X? Malcolm X was a leading figure in the Black Power movement. Are we clear? Malcolm X was a charismatic and a very dedicated human rights activist. South Africa no Stephen Bantu Biko Malcolm X because he was a dedicated human rights activist. Are we clear? Now, Malcolm X, he became a leading member. Remember that our essay we are looking it in 1960s. So some of the learners they make mistake. Malcolm X was being arrested. It's essay. As we are statement. We are using this statement. We are using the statement now. See the statement in 1960s and 1970s, Bantabam. You are only talking about what happened in 1960s. It happened in 1950. We want content of what happened in 1960. That is why you start by here, not by saying he was once arrested and this it happened before 1960. Our focus is in 1960, but be careful of that. Now, Malcolm X, he became a leading member, the Nation of Islam, ENOI. This organization was an organization for what? For Muslim. Are we clear? In Nation of Islam, it was an organization for Muslim. This organization, they had a belief for Ama blacks in America, they are superior than Ama white people. Are we clear? This is why Malcolm X joined this organization because it was putting the ideas of black power philosophy. Are we clear? Now, NOI, in Nation of Islam, it's considered Christianity as a religion from the oppressors. So it's encouraged in black people to reject Christianity and join in Muslims. So that's Bazo Joina NOI. Are we clear, Bandabam? We are looking at the role that was played by Malcolm X. Malcolm X, he rejected the peaceful approach of Martin Luther King to say, no. The peaceful approach is not helping us. Are we clear? He promoted the use of violence to achieve the aims of black power. He influenced black people to say, let us use violence to do what? To be successful with the aims of black power. This thing of Martin Luther King with the non-violent approach is not working. He believed that black had the right to defend themselves with using the violence in the face of violence with police brutality. Are we clear, Mandabam? We are encouraging abantu to no. If the police are attacking you, use violence to protect yourself, but do not use it to attack them. Use it to defend yourself. And it's why Malcolm X, okay? In continuation of the role that was played by Malcolm X influenced black people for self-defense instead of non-violence. The one that we were talking about, to say against police brutality, defend yourself with violence in the face of violence. He encouraged and influenced black people for black separatism instead instead of integration. Remember in the CRM, abantu abamnyama wanted to integrate and unite with white people, and it didn't help them. So Malcolm X said, no, away with integration. Let's move with black separatism. Let's be on our own as black people. He said, let's intensify our struggle with the revolution instead of peace. He wanted an immediate change because revolution is a violent process of change, of which at the end there must be a fundamental social change in the development of citizens. Wayefuna or an immediate change in the life of black people. He encouraged black people to separate themselves from whites and refuse any form of integration. Wasi asizimele sabantu abamnyama. Ukwenza kanjani-ke lokhu Malcolm X? He was able to influence them through speeches. Malcolm X used his speeches because he was an eloquent speaker. He was a gifted speaker. As a result, he was able to influence African Americans with all the things said above. His famous speech, he has a famous speech that I answer. Ati ballots or a bullets. Are we clear? Now, they saying in that speech, he even mentioned that Martin Luther King, when he was saying he has a dream, the Negroes, the black people were having a nightmare while he was having a dream. That speech that says ballots or bullets, it was saying us as black people, we will get our freedom through ballots, meaning we will fight, or we will through the ballots, meaning we will go to vote and vote for our freedom. Are we clear, Bandabam? And Malcolm X, in 1964, he started to change his views to say, let us work with the white people. Remember, these people who say influence ukuthi bengahlangani nabantu abamnyama. Uyena useyashintsha in 1964. As a result, black people, abantu abamnyama be-Nation of Islam, assassinated Bana Malcolm X for changing his views to say, you can't influence us not to unite with the white people. But now you are confusing us. Now you have sold out. Are we clear? Now, Malcolm X was able to influence black people to use violence in the face of violence to end police brutality. Now, let's go about a paragraph now. This is an example of the paragraph now. Malcolm X. Malcolm X is one of testament in Peel method. Peel method is whereby a point you are mentioning about a subtopic lozokhuluma ngayo focus. Naila Malcolm X, you are being mentioned. Malcolm X is one of the leaders who played a crucial role in organizing African Americans through the ideas of black power. We have a point. Now you are explaining it. He was an eloquent speaker and a dedicated civil rights activist. You are explaining Malcolm X lozokhuluma ngaye. Are we clear? Now let's go to E. Is for evidence content. Yini ayenzile? What movement or action ayenzile to influence African Americans? He was a leader of Nation of Islam, which was a political organization for Muslims, which was against white supremacy in the USA. Malcolm X encouraged African Americans to reject the non-violent approach. Sorry, it's supposed to be violent here. Non-violent approach of Malcolm X and adopt a militant and violent approach. He believed that blacks should use violence to defend themselves against violence, to end in police brutality. He also emphasized the importance of black separatism instead of integration and the importance of revolution instead of peace. As a gifted speaker, he attracted many blacks to join Black Power movement, and his famous speech such as Bullets or a ballot speech, which played a significant role in the thinking way of blacks. This is how we influence black people. Now you go to the link. Now, Sitewi linking is to tell us, in summary, how did this key role influence African Americans to challenge discrimination? For the fact that Malcolm X was able to inspire the way of thinking for blacks, it shows that indeed Black Power movement was successful in ending discrimination. Remember your stance that you took in this introduction. You are saying if Black Power movement was able to challenge discrimination. This is what you bring back in the link. Again, let us show you now. For the fact that Malcolm X was able to inspire the way of thinking for blacks, this shows that indeed Black Power movement was successful in ending discrimination and segregation in the USA. You are done with the paragraph, Malcolm X. You write a paragraph using these notes, Bantabam. Now, the next paragraph is another key role player, Ogubani, the Black Panther Party. The Black Panther Party was an organization that was formed. An organization is not started, it's being formed. It was formed in 1966, California. Who formed it? It was Hu Newton and Bobby Seale. This political organization, the Black Panther Party, was formed 1966 by these two comrades, Hu Newton and Bobby Seale, in California. Now, this political organization, it was a militant political organization that was formed to fight against the police brutality. Remember, there was police brutality. The organization is to say we are tired of police brutalizing us. Are we clear, Bandabam? Now, what was the aim? It was the aim of this organization was to police the police. What do you mean by police the police? They were cutting the police in the African American neighborhood. Lama police allow as when the police brutality to say we are now policing them now. To say no. We are here. You are not going to deploy any police brutality against African American. That is why their aim was to police the police in the African Americans. Are we clear? Now, if Black Panther Party, members they call themselves the Panthers. They call themselves the Panthers. And they wore black leather jackets, berets, and black shiny shoes. Why they wore black leather jackets, black berets, and black shiny shoes? To represent or to indicate that they are representing Black people. They are there as an organization to cater the interests of Black people. Are we clear, Bandabam? Now, being motivated by the ideas of Black power, to say you must use violence in the face of violence, Black Panthers, members of Black Panther Party, the Panthers carried the loaded firearms. They carried IPA to safeguard the African Americans against the police. Police brutality. For the fact that Panthers, they carried these loaded firearms. That thing alone, it shaped his psychological thinking. To say now the police started to fear against him. African citizens. Remember, in African Americans with the police brutality. Now, seeing the members of the Black Panther Party, Panthers carrying weapons, psychologically, it's an effect. Police to say, hey, they are now carrying firearms. They became a threat to the police. As a result, police brutality slowly came to an end. Are we clear, Bandabam? Now, also, yes, it's a Black Panther Party. No, let us also continue do community programs. Community programs are for Black people, are for Black by Black. What do we mean by that? Remember that one of the aims of a Black power philosophy was to be assertive, to make people rely on themselves, to say, let us do programs for Black people by us, Black people, that will help easy in poverty in Black communities, to elevate the life of Black people in communities. Are we clear, Bandabam? Now again, community programs. How did they make sure that they became a success? They approach business people for donations, and those who refuse to donate, they boycotted their stores to say they are no longer buying in their stores. Are we clear, Bandabam? Those programs included free breakfast, whereby they were feeding poor Black children, and also clinics where they were using medical care for Black people so that they can get best health care programs for Black people, and also tutoring schemes to help Black children to pass at schools. Are we clear, Bandabam? They also provided, remember that there was high unemployment rates. As a result, Black people in America ended up using drugs. Now, they wanted they provided drugs and alcohol rehabilitation. They also drafted a 10-point manifesto demands to say this is our demand as black people under the Black Panther Party. They called for a decent housing and school for black communities in the 10-point plan. They demanded a compensation for slavery. Remember that African Americans were once slaves in America. They demanded a compensation for being made slaves long time ago. They demanded freedom for all political or for all those political leaders who were arrested to be released. They also demanded an immediate end of police brutality, to say this police brutality must be no more now. Asivaleni. These were their demands. Are we clear, Bandabam? Now, Elena must use these notes. Must use what? These notes to create a paragraph. How did Black Panther Party as a key role player improved or influence African Americans to challenge its segregation and its discrimination? Yakwazi to challenge discrimination and end the police brutality. Are we clear, Bandabam? Now, let us look at the paragraph. I said to you, when you start a paragraph, you start by saying in addition or furthermore or moreover. Now, let us look at the paragraph grade 12. In addition, community programs were using a pill method. A point is to say a key role player. It must be mentioned in your first sentence. In addition, community programs were part of the initiative in organizing blacks through Black Panther Party. We have a point there. Now, explain what is the Black Panther Party. Black Panther Party was a militant organization formed in 1966 by Huey Newton and Bobby Seale to fight against police brutality in African neighborhood. You have explained what is in the Black Panther Party. Now, giving us a content. How did they do in achieving the aims of Black Power philosophy? Or what movement did they do to what? To influence or organize African Americans to challenge its discrimination. Its main aim was to police the police in the African American neighbors. They called themselves the Panthers. The Panthers wore black leather jackets, berets, and shiny shoes to indicate that they represent the interest of blacks in America. They carried loaded firearms in public, which had a big psychological effect as African Americans felt empowered and the police felt fear. This helped to end the police brutality. Also, the Black Panther Party started community programs for black people by blacks to help ease poverty in black communities. They wanted blacks to rely on themselves. They wanted to be assertive. Programs included free breakfast for children, clinics for free medical care, tutoring schemes to help black children succeed at schools, and providing drugs and alcohol rehabilitation. Elena uses that information in the slide to create a paragraph using a pill method. Then you go to the link. For the fact that I said to the link, mostly for the fact that this key role player was able to influence black Americans. You are giving us a summary now. For the fact that now key role player, Black Panther Party elevated the lives of African Americans through variety community programs is an evidence that surely this movement, a Black Power movement, was effective and successful in challenging discrimination in the USA. Because when you prove a Black Power movement used the key role players to help African Americans to challenge its discrimination. Indeed, your paragraph proves that. It's simple, Bandabam in the CC. How did a Black Power movement used the key role players to influence African Americans to challenge its discrimination in USA? You are done with this paragraph. Now let's look at another key role player. Ustokli Carmichael. Are we clear? Ustokli Carmichael. Now, Ustokli Carmichael became the leader of SNCC during ECRM, and he was deeply involved in many protests where he ended up being arrested. By 1966, Black Panther Party, he had been arrested for the 27 times. And when he was released in 1966, he made a famous speech using the term Black Power to say, no. This is where he started to question the violent approach Malcolm X CRM to say now let us be violent now, and then this is where he joined the Black Panther Party. After joining the Black Panther Party, let us look at his role. What role did he play in influencing African Americans to challenge discrimination in America? He urged African Americans to take pride in being black. You must be proud to be a black person in America. That's what he influenced African Americans to be. He wanted African Americans to recognize their heritage and build a sense of community in the communities for black people. He also adopted the slogan, "Black is beautiful." Indeed, myself as Mr. Gina, I'm very black and I'm beautiful. I was influenced by those leaders such as Stokely Carmichael. Stokely Carmichael, one of his role, he influenced black people with the ideas that black is beautiful to promote pride in being black. Are we clear, Bandabam? He was a singer. Now, how did he make sure with him? We have influenced some African Americans. He was a singer and a poet. Are we clear? Now, he released music and poetries that were speaking about all these influences. He promoted African clothing. He said, African should not wear these clothes for white people. They should wear African clothing. They should listen to soul music. They should listen to African musicians. Are we clear, Bandabam? He also encouraged or influenced black to stop bleaching their skin, to say this thing of using makeup. Remember, you as a black person, you are beautiful. Stop using makeup, Bantabam. And also, he said you must stop wearing artificial hairs. It's no more these things that are called, what is it called? A weave. He encouraged black Americans to say, you must not use these artificial hairs. You must embrace your African hairs as Afro hairstyles. Are we clear, Bandabam? This is a role that was played by Stokely Carmichael. Now, a learner must just formulate a paragraph using a pill method. Using a pill method. The first part, it must include the key role player by starting with moreover or in addition. Stokely Carmichael was one of the leaders who contributed in the struggle for African American. He was a singer and a poetess who promoted ideas of black power philosophy through music and ban. Usuya show as an evidence now, content. What did he do to influence them? He promoted his slogans, "Black is beautiful," which promoted black pride in being black. He also promoted African clothing, Afro soul, Afro music, African musician. He also influenced blacks to stop bleaching their skin and wearing the artificial hairs to embrace their afros. Then Masukwe, you go to a line of argument for the fact that Stokely Carmichael is a key role player, for the fact that Stokely Carmichael was able to influence African Americans to take pride in being black is an evidence that a black power movement was able to organize black Africans to challenge discrimination and racial segregation in the USA. Because your essay is to say, how did black power movement use the key role players in challenging discrimination in the USA? Are we clear, Bantabam? Let us move now. The last one is Angela Davis. Bantabam, most of the teachers, they don't teach about Angela Davis. It's fine. It's not compulsory for you to write. And if you don't write about it, you won't be penalized about the marks, because many teachers, they end with Stokely Carmichael. But I said, let me also teach about Angela Davis. Angela Davis was a feminist and a human rights activist who encouraged the participation. Angela Davis was that woman who participated with struggle for African Americans, and we influenced many women to join in struggle and fight against oppression in America. She popularized the slogan, "No woman, no revolution." There's this guy that says, "No woman, no revolution." That guy who sings in reggae. She popularized that slogan to say, if there is no woman, there is no revolution. Are we clear, Mandabam? She was the first woman to join the Black Panther Party. The Black Panther Party, that organization that was fighting against police brutality. And she was the first woman to carry, she was the first black woman to carry a firearm, in America, to fight against police brutality. She also encouraged other women to also carry weapons in order to defend themselves against the police brutality. It's how he played the role. She promoted leadership position for women in government positions and encouraged women to join the revolution, BPM. Abantu besifazane bagcina sebeyijoyina Black Power movement. Why? Because they were encouraged by Angela Davis. This is the role that was played by Angela Davis to say, let women be there now. In fighting against racial segregation and racial discrimination. And she also played a role in developing a 10-point plan with Black Panther Party. Now, if you are deciding to write this paragraph, now, you start by applying a pill method, a point, which is a key role player. In addition, Angela Davis is one of the women who also contributed in the struggle of encouraging African Americans in USA. Then you go about explaining her why, then evidence. Things that she did in encouraging or in influencing African American, more especially the women. And then you go by the link. By having Angela Davis being able to encourage more women to join the struggle against racial discrimination is an evidence that BPM, Black Power Movement, was able to do what? Was able to use key role players to challenge discrimination in America. That is it's very easy. Then we go to the last paragraph, which is what? Successes a Black Power Movement. One of the successes, all forms of racial segregation and discrimination came to an end. Racial violence in police brutality and tension declined. Also, African Americans were elected into public offices. But participate into politics. That is why we had someone who was called Barack Obama as a president, who was a black person in America, because African Americans were being elected into public offices, even into government positions. President Barack government positions. President Barack Obama is a great example of the successes of the Black Power Movement. Are we clear? Also, housing and facilities, public facilities such as schools, hospitals of African Americans were improved. Are we clear, Mandabam? Also, an affirmative action, policies of federal employment were put into place to say abaqashwe nabantu abamnyama baqala manje unemployment rates yancipha Cape America for black people. Then a learner formulates this paragraph and then as well a line of argument, LOA. Are we clear, Mandabam? Then you are done with your essay just like that. To recap, we dealt namhlanje the Black Power Movement. We said this essay, it focuses on how did the Black Power Movement use the key role players to influence African Americans with the ideas of Black Power philosophy to challenge racial discrimination and racial segregation when in America. Are we clear, Mandabam? Those who are still with us, thank you so much, Bantabami. If you joined us very late on the lesson, a lesson by the end of the day today, it will be posted on KZN DOE. KZN DOE. Just search this on YouTube channel, Bantabam. You will find our lessons there. Next week, same place, same time. Wednesday, 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. We will be now dealing with paper 2. And in paper 2, we will start by explaining the essay of Black Consciousness Movement. If you want to have a clear understanding of the Black Consciousness Movement, join us next week this day. Thank you. Alut, continue. At about 50, I were pushing. Siyaqhubha.